Alright, for this combo, we are going to be starting with a rodeo for our signature six-pack. We're going to do the first half, bringing it straight into a country cuddle. We're going to push her into rolling out into a whip. J-hook in, we're going to catch her at the scapula right here. We're going to start to lift up with our elbow. We want to create enough space that we can monkey bar through and push out.
All right, so for the follows, as he brings me through, I make sure I maintain that connection all the way across. He hooks back in. I feel through that momentum. As he turns me out, I hit, making sure my weight ends on that right foot. I feel him bring me in. I turn, keeping my left elbow up. As soon as I feel him connect, he's going to bring me through. And I want to make sure I keep my core nice and tight. As he brings me back, I'm going to keep my shoulder blade connected flat. He's going to use that momentum to push me out. I'm going to come out to the other side, making sure that we hook back together. I'm going to fly on out of here.